guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm about to show you how to get from this looking like this. Yeah, I know I look a little crusty, like look at my brows, they need to be done. So I'm going to show you guys how I go from looking like crusty, musty to sexy, lusty. Yeah, that was kind of corny, but yeah. So first, we are going to fix these brows. Y'all see my brows? You see my brows? Look at it. See? They need to be done right here like wax. But I want to grow them back thick and nice, so I'm not trying to do it. So this is what I do, right? Brush them out. And this is what I'm using, this Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil, right? So I do that. I have this little twisty thing, see that? Okay, so I use this and I draw it out, right? Draw it out to how it used to look, or how it looks when it's waxed. And you kind of fill it in. And use the brush to kind of spread it out, you know. See, look how it looks better already. See that? But yeah. Right. Then I take this concealer, which everyone uses, this LA Gear Pro Concealer in Fawn. Put some in my hand. I don't use a brush, I just use this. Clean it with this. I clean it up with this, I should say. Right. Look at it. I use my finger to kind of go in there and blend it out. You'll see the difference. Okay, so let's do the other side. Look at my brows. Alright, now it's into my foundation. I'll be right back. So I use this Wet n Wild face primer. Oh gosh, the glare. Oh god, the glare. Anyway, whatever, it's primer. That is apparently almost finished. I got something. I use these two foundations, right? Fit me 340 and fit me 330 because my skin is weird. So I mix these two bad boys together. Mix these two bad boys together to get mine somewhat perfection. Yeah. Because I like Maybelline. I like this foundation. They just don't like me. But I like me someone that I have to buy too, huh? Yeah. Okay. Like it was kind of too bright. So yeah. Acne, really? This now and again I get like few pimples. By the way, this is like an everyday look for me. Because I don't really like all the eyeshadow and stuff, you know? Occasionally I'll do that. So I put my foundation over my eyes too. I'm sure a lot of people do that. Especially if you're not putting on eyeshadow. You don't want over your eyes to be looking a different color. Concealer under the eyes. Fawn, same fawn. Under the eye. So just quickly. Blend that in. Then I'm using dark cocoa to contour. Same. You all know the reason why we put this over here, right? So over here, I know when we take pics, when they look too white, when they go into over here, you know? It's natural. Alright, everything looks blended. Blended, splendid. Setting powder. Sasha Fata Kapia. I have an eyeliner pen. I'm gonna put it under here too. Ooh, it's tickling. I don't like this because it's wet and pointy, so it's kind of like tickling my eye. Using Great Lash. Again by Maybelline. Apparently I love Maybelline products. No eyelashes, because it's supposed to be a natural look, right? Because it's a natural look, you're just gonna put some clear lip gloss on our lips. I can't remember where I got this. It don't even have a name on it. Probably got it from the dollar store. Yeah. Let's use our eyebrow pencil. I should have did this first though. Right. That did not mess up my eyebrow pencil, which it shouldn't. And then you apply this. Kind of smudge it in there, girl, so the, you know, gloss nude look. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely $50, so I'm going to have to take out. Right. So yeah guys, this is my natural look. Spray up my face now. Setting spray. Alright, now time to fix this. Alright. I washed my hair yesterday and put a little bit of product in it, not much. So yeah, it kind of looks a bit dry, but it's not dry. It just looks. So I'm just gonna put it back up in a bun, but in a more neat looking bun. Everyday look bun. Alright, so I have my spray bottle. Spruce it up a bit. And I'm using Eco Styler black castor oil flaxseed. Not much, because I don't want it to be flaky. I'm using this brush, regular brush. And here band. And brush out all the lumps, guys. And I don't like my everyday bun to be tight, to be slack. But I'll stuck in the excess here and there. Yeah. You can have a little flyer, like a little stick out. It's not a big deal. It makes the hairstyle look cute. If you want, you could do baby hairs. I don't really do baby hairs every day, but this is what I do every day. Kind of like, you know, nothing too much, nothing too fancy. I also like to bring down my gel and bring down the strand sides. And it don't have to be even either. All that's part of the everyday natural look, and voila, done. So yeah, so this is my final look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing this video for you guys, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you can get notifications when I post a video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.